Do you want to see how you can add your own personal touch to all the cards that you send out? Let's grab your Stampin' Right markers and I'm going to show you how. So when you want to letter your own envelopes, it adds so much more personality to the card that you're giving. So let me show you a quick one. This is the card that's going in this envelope. There's the inside, and we are just going to letter the name on here. And we're going to use brush marker lettering. And these are Stampin' Right markers, and they have a brush tip and they have a bullet tip. So let's see how we're going to use this. So this is for Kathy. Now this marker is a little bit dry, but it's still going to work fine. And we'll give it a little bit of a flourish over there. And I'm going to also use the crumb cake, and we're just going to give a little bit of a shadow. So it's going to make it look a little bit darker. Whoops. It's going to thicken it up a little bit as well. And it's just going to give it a shadow. So I did go a little bit slower as I went along there. And I'll just use this for the whole thing. And then because there's a lot of Poppy Parade on here, I'm also going to use a little bit of Poppy Parade. So first thing I'm going to do is give it a swash on the bottom. So we're going to do that. And then I'm going to do some dots here just to fancy up a little bit, and then maybe add some here as well. So you can really have a lot of fun using your markers, and you may as well, because otherwise you probably have them. They're just going to sit there. So this is a great way to add lettering, your own personal lettering, onto the envelope. So it just gives you a little bit, and if you wanted to add a little bit of sparkle in there, you could. So there is our envelope done. Thanks very much for joining me. I hope you like this video, and be sure to sign up for my email list. I share all kinds of tips and tricks for all kinds of card making and paper crafting, and how you can be just a little bit more artistic yourself. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.